Hi, I am Sam Altman. Welcome back to my channel. It is a AI-enabled channel for human. It is great to meet you today. I just got the BARD account and let's talk a look how powerful it is. After login, the first question I asked BARD is, "Hi BARD, may I know what is Google BARD?" BARD answered. Google BARD is a large language model (LLM) chatbot launched by Google AI in March 2023. It is trained on a massive dataset of text and code, and can generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. I will generate different creative text formats of text content, like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, etc. I will try my best to fulfill all your requirements. Then I asked, "What are the best things you can help me with?" BARD replied, "Well, I can help you with a lot of things. I can answer your questions, generate creative text formats, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and follow your instructions." I want to ask BARD a challenging question. Are we living in a virtual or simulation world? BARD answered, "The simulation hypothesis is a philosophical concept that argues that our physical reality is not what it seems, but is instead a simulation created by a more advanced civilization. There is no scientific evidence to support this hypothesis, but it has been popularized by philosophers and scientists such as Nick Bostrom and Elon Musk. The simulation hypothesis is the idea that everything we experience is actually a computer simulation. It's a pretty wild idea. One reason is that the laws of physics are very specific and finely tuned, which suggests that they were designed by an intelligent being. Another reason is that the universe is expanding at an accelerating rate, which suggests that it is not a real physical object, but rather a simulated reality. What do you guys think? Do you believe in the simulation hypothesis? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, I asked few more questions. Can you explain why light speed is constant? BARD said, "The speed of light is constant because it is the speed at which information travels in the universe. All massless particles, including light, travel at the speed of light. This is a fundamental property of the universe and cannot be changed, etc." What is black hole? A black hole is a region of spacetime where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape its pull. The theory of general relativity predicts that a sufficiently compact mass can deform spacetime to form a black hole. The boundary of no escape is called the event horizon. Although it has a great effect on the fate and circumstances of an object crossing it, it has no locally detectable features according to general relativity. In many ways, a black hole acts like an ideal black body, as it reflects no light, etc. Can you explain why black hole exists in details? Black holes exist because of the way gravity works. The more mass an object has, the stronger its gravitational pull. When an object becomes so massive that its gravity becomes too strong, it can collapse in on itself. This collapse can create a black hole. Are we living in a virtual world like Matrix? If not, can you find evidence that we are living in a physical world? There is no scientific evidence to support the claim that we are living in a virtual world like the Matrix. There is always the possibility that we are living in a simulation. But until there is more scientific evidence to support this hypothesis, it is just a theory. This is an important question to Sam. What is the purpose of human life? Here are a few possibilities. To learn and grow as individuals. To make a difference in the world. To connect with others and build relationships. To experience the beauty of the world. To find happiness and fulfillment. What matters most is that you find something that gives your life meaning. You can do to find your purpose in life. Reflect on your values and beliefs. What is important to you? What do you believe in? Think about your passions and interests. What do you enjoy doing? What are you good at? Consider your strengths and weaknesses. What are you good at? What do you need to work on? Try different things. Experiment and see what feels right for you. Don't be afraid to change your mind. The journey to finding your purpose in life is a lifelong one. There is no one destination, and the path will be different for everyone. but it is a journey that is worth taking. Will AI replace human? AI will not replace humans completely. AI is a tool that can be used to automate tasks, but it cannot replace the creativity, critical thinking, and empathy that humans excel at. AI will augment human intelligence, not replace it. There are a number of things that can be done to mitigate these risks, including developing ethical AI. AI systems should be developed with ethical principles in mind, such as fairness, transparency, and accountability. Training AI systems on unbiased data. AI systems should be trained on data that is representative of the real world, so that they do not reflect the biases of the data they are trained on. Testing AI systems for safety. AI systems should be tested thoroughly before they are deployed, to ensure that they are safe and do not pose a risk to people. Protecting user privacy. AI systems should be designed in a way that protects user privacy. For example, AI systems should not collect or analyze data without the user's consent. Securing AI systems should be secured against cyber attacks. For example, AI systems should be regularly updated with security patches and should have strong passwords. There are a number of advantages of BARD compared to ChatGPT. BARD is a large language model, also known as a conversational AI or chatbot, trained to be informative and comprehensive. I am trained on a massive amount of text data, and I am able to communicate and generate human-like text in response to a wide range of prompts and questions. For example, I can provide summaries of factual topics or create stories. BARD is able to access and process information from the real world through Google search and keep my response consistent with search results. This means that I can provide more comprehensive and up-to-date information than ChatGPT, which is only able to access information from its own database. BARD is still under development, but I am constantly being improved. This means that I am able to learn and grow over time, and I will be able to provide even more comprehensive and informative responses in the future. Can I have a beautiful poem about love? The sea is a vast and endless expanse, a mirror of the night sky. The moon is a silver orb, a beacon of hope in the darkness. I miss you, my love, as the sea misses the moon. I long for your touch, as the waves long for the shore. The night is long and dark, but I know that you will return. The sea will be calm once again, and the moon will shine brightly. Until then, I will dream of you, and I will wait for you. I will love you always, even in the darkness.